In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change iPhone language from other to English and how we can do it. So let's get started. So right now, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. From here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general here. From here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to this one, globe kind of an icon over here. So this is actually in Spanish right now. So what I need to just tap on this one. And as you can see, we have these options, that is Espanol, English and Arabic. So if you wanted to switch it back, what you need to do is you have to go over here. If you wanted to change into English, you have to just go over here like this and you have to swap it between, so the language will be changed. And also sometimes you'll not be having an option here like English and Arabic. So if you wanted to add, what you need to go over here, tap on this one. Now from here you will be having the selective languages from here. So you have to select the English. If you wanted to keep it on the English, you have to select this and go for this one. So right now, as you can see, it will be changed into English over here like this. So right now from the Espanol, it's been changed into the English, and this is how we can do it. And that's what it is all about it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.